Greetings everyone. Today with me, teacher Lirenz. I'm gonna explain about how to use in, on, at. Okay, let's move on to the first page. Okay, now I'm gonna explain the first one is in. In is for something that is general or for the location is bigger area. Okay, for example, I live in Jakarta. For example, you want to tell about the country. I live in Indonesia. Indonesia is very big. Okay. Jakarta is also very big. Okay. And then, so for country, for city, and neighborhood, we can use in. And then on the left side, it's about the time. Time, for example, about centuries, decades, years, months, weeks, seasons, we use in. Oke, jadi kalau in, on, at, untuk in, pertama kali yang digunakan adalah in. For example, untuk kamu mau menceritakan kamu tinggal di mana, lokasinya. Biasa in itu untuk lokasi yang area lebih besar. Oke, yang paling besar kita menggunakan in. Misalkan Indonesia itu besar sekali. Jakarta juga besar sekali. Indonesia ada banyak sekali kan, ada banyak provinsi. Jakarta pun juga banyak, ada Jakarta Utara, Selatan, Timur, dan sebagainya. Jadi bigger area yang lebih besar untuk in. Oke, sebelah kirinya untuk menceritakan waktu, biasa kita menggunakan untuk abad, misalkan untuk decades, years, months, weeks, and seasons. Untuk dekade, untuk tahun, untuk bulan, untuk berapa minggunya, dan juga musim. For example, let's meet in April. Let's meet in 2020. Let's meet in winter, for example. Oke, jadi kalau kamu mau menceritakan hal ini semua, kita menggunakan in. Ingat, in untuk yang lebih besar, paling besar kategorinya ya. Karena kayak tahun itu ada 12 bulan. Satu bulan pun juga ada 30 hari. Minggu pun juga ada 7 hari. Jadi masih ada kategori kecilnya. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan in. Okay. In, for example, you want to explain about year. Let's meet in 2020. In 1 year, we have 12 months. In 1 year, we have 12 months. And also in 1 month, we have 30 days. In 1 week, we have 7 days. So there are smaller categories in 1 year, in 1 month, and in 1 week. That's why we use in for only years, or only months, or only weeks. Okay? So in 1991, for example, in March. And if you want to explain the month and the year all together, we can use, for example, March 2020. So we use in. Jadi kalau kamu mau jelaskan bulan dan tahunnya barengan, kita menggunakan in. Kenapa? Karena bulannya aja menggunakan in, tahunnya aja menggunakan in. Jadi kalau digabung in sama in kan, bulan sama tahun. Misalkan contohnya pada bulan Maret 2020. Okay? In March 2020. Okay? Okay, now let's move on to a bit more specific. We use on for smaller area or a bit more specific. For example, see you on Monday. See you on Thursday. Okay? So, for time, untuk waktu, kita menggunakan on. Misalkan, days and weekend. Hari-hari atau weekendnya. Okay? Sampai jumpa hari Senin. See you on Monday. And then on the right side, if you want to explain or if you want to say something about the street, I live on Sunter Street. I live on Main Street, for example. I live on Mangga Besar Street, for example. Okay? Now, I'm going to explain a very specific one, the smallest. If you see from the picture, in is the biggest part, right? On a bit smaller part. Now, at is at the top, the smallest, the very specific one. Okay? You see? Kalau kamu lihat dari bentuk segitiga ini, in paling bawah. Kenapa? Paling besar porsinya. Oke? Sama kayak Indonesia. Indonesia paling besar areanya. Berarti in. Jakarta juga besar. Berarti pakai in. Lebih kecil misalkan on. Di Jakarta, misalkan Jakarta Utara, ada namanya Sunter Street. Jadi lebih sedikit lebih spesifik. Berarti kita menggunakan on. Oke. Jadi kita menggunakan on karena lebih spesifik. Nah, kalau at ini lebih spesifik lagi, paling spesifik. Nah, contohnya jam-jaman. Kalau jam-jaman kita menggunakan at. Oke. Kita menggunakan at. Let's meet at 11 o'clock, for example. Or let's meet at 1 o'clock. Sampai ketemu jam 1. Ayo ketemu jam 1. Okay. Address. I live at Sunter Street, number 2. I live at Rajawali Street, for example. Number 1, for example. Okay. So, if you see the difference, kalau kamu lihat bedanya, in bigger area, I live in Jakarta. And then, smaller area or more specific, oh, I live on Sunter Street. A bit smaller, right? And then very specific one is, or the smallest one is a very detailed one. We use at. For example, I live at Sunter Street, number 2. So you mention very detailed explanation of very specific location because you mentioned the number. Okay? And also like, let's meet at 1 o'clock. So for time, we use at. And for location, specific location, we use at. Jadi, ingat, untuk lokasi di Indonesia, di Jakarta, paling besar kan lokasinya, areanya, jangkauannya. Lalu, lebih mengecil, saya tinggal di Sunter. Di jalan Sunter, ada kata jalannya. So we use on. I live on Sunter Street. Saya tinggal di jalan Sunter. Tapi Sunter itu pun juga banyak. Ada Sunter Paradis, Sunter Agung. Ada banyak sekali Sunter number 1, Sunter number 2, for example, right? So there are a lot of Sunter Street. Okay? Ada banyak sekali detailnya. Jadi masih belum sampai detail banget. Belum sampai spesifik banget. Cuma bilang, oh saya tinggal di Sunter. Udah selesai. Tapi kalau kamu mau menceritakan paling spesifik, kita menggunakan at. Karena apa? Karena ada nomornya. Oke. Nah, in self-introduction, dalam percakapan, some people get confused when to use in on at. Also for emailing. Untuk juga emailing. Untuk email, kadang-kadang orang suka salah tulis. Misalkan meetingnya pada tanggal segini, jam segini. Mereka suka bingung antara pakai in, on, at. Some people get confused when they want to write down email. They get confused when to use in, on, at. For example, on March 2nd, 2020, for example. But they sometimes made mistake and they made in March 2nd, blah, 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 for example. So you have to understand this concept, okay? I'm going to explain more. Okay, these are the examples. In spring or in summer season, ya. Untuk musim kita menggunakan in. Kenapa? Karena satu musim itu bisa beberapa bulan. Because in one season there are several months, right? In several months. In June, kenapa menggunakan in? Karena dalam satu bulan Juni itu ada 30 hari. Because in one month there are 30 or 31 days. Okay? For year, in 1985, dalam satu tahun ada 12 bulan. In 1 year, there are 12 months. So we use in. And then, in July 2020, kalau ada bulan, ada tahun, kita menggunakan in. If there is month and also a year, altogether, we have to use in. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Now, a bit more specific. See you on Friday. Sampai ketemu hari Jumat. On 27th of October. Kalau ada tanggal, ada bulan, kita menggunakan on. Karena lebih spesifik. Oke? Karena hanya pada satu tanggal itu aja. Hanya pada tanggal 27 Oktober aja. Oke, tapi ini belum paling spesifik. Karena apa? Karena 27 Oktober itu ada yang tahun 2020, 2021, dan seterusnya. Oke. On New Year's Day. Nah, pay attention on this one. Perhatikan baik-baik. Oke. Previously, sebelumnya itu, I wrote down on 27th of October. It's specific number, specific date, okay? Tanggalnya udah spesifik tuh tanggal 27. Tapi not really very specific one. Belum sampai yang the very specific one. Belum sampai yang paling spesifik. Okay? Because there are 27 October 1990 or 27 October of 2020, right? That's the other one. But on 27th of October, okay, we use on because there's date and the month. Kalau ada tanggal dan ada bulannya, okay, kita menggunakan on. Kalau kita menggunakan tahunnya, misalkan 27 Oktober 2020, we still use on. Kalau ada 27 Oktober 2020, kita tetap menggunakan on karena polanya udah seperti itu. Okay, even though there's 27 October 2020, we still use on. Okay, because at is only for time. Okay, jadi kalau ada tanggal, ada bulan, we use on. If there's a date and a month, a date and a month, we use on. Nah, on New Year's Day, check out this one. Ada kata day. Check out this one. On New Year's Day, there is the word day. Ada kata day-nya. So we use on. So if you see or if you hear the word day, kalau kamu mendengar atau melihat ada kata day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, New Year's Day, New Year's Day, so we use on. Okay? Okay, now at the top you can see at. Very specific one. At 8 o'clock. At Christmas. At the end of June, for example. At the end of the month. At night or at midnight. Midnight, it means 12 o'clock at night. Exactly at midnight. Okay, so For very specific one, for time, we use at. Okay? At Christmas. At the end of. Pas tepat. Akhir bulannya. Okay? At night, malam hari, and at midnight, pada tengah malam. We don't need preposition for this word. Before this word, we don't need any prepositions. For example, this, last, and next. Okay. For example, see you this Sunday. For example, you don't need in, on, at. Okay. I met him. For example, last Monday. Before the word last, you don't need in, on, at. See you next Sunday. See you next Sunday. We don't need in, on, at. Okay? Okay, that's all for the topic in, on, at. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions or if you want me to explain more other topic, just drop a comment below. And please give a thumbs up and then also subscribe to this channel to support me to give you more videos of English. And if you want to join my English class, English free online class, you can just drop a comment below and I will send you the link later. Okay? Please feel free to share and subscribe. It's free of charge. Okay? And see you on the next video. Bye.